Tambayan for the year. Special mention, of course, to Malayan Insurance, Repsol, of course. Thank you very much again. And then Race of Champions, and of course, all the Longitude who are here tonight. And I hope this is not the first time that you're going to join our Tambay Night. We're also looking forward for the many breakfast rides for the year. So I hope na sana nandun tayo palagi. Kita-kita tayo doon. I will rest assured kung may mga promos, programs pa sa atin, no? Coming from our from Malayan or Repsol and Race of Champions, rest assured na i-share natin sa inyo.
Today, kung mapapansin nyo, nabanggit nga ni Justin kanina and ni Sir Noel, marami po tayong mga bisita from the industry. Lumalaki po ang pamilya ng Ropali, lumalaki ang pamilya ng Labreta. And kagaya nga po yung nasabi kanina ni Sir, we will be entering into different partnerships with motorcycle, nagko-complement sa motorcycle riding natin. So, just like the old times, we enter into challenging times right now, right? We also are seeing more opportunity for motorcycles. As Filipinos, like Spaniards, we're warm and then we're resilient. And just like the old times, I know we can get through all of this. And we thank everybody for the friendship. We thank everybody for the time and support sa Labreta brand and sa Ropali Group. Thank you very much po.
And we distribute that nationwide. No? So